see English stories, listen and practice well. Let's start.
In a quaint school nestled in the countryside, a compassionate teacher observes a struggling student. Deeply committed to her student's success, the teacher, with a heart full of empathy, notices a child in need. The young student, filled with frustration, battles the complexities of a foreign language with silent determination. After hours, the dedicated teacher imparts knowledge, lighting the path for the struggling child. With unwavering focus, the young learner immerses himself in the sea of knowledge, guided by newfound support. Witnessing acts of kindness, the classmates band together, forming a united front to aid their fellow learner. The moment of truth arrives as the apprehensive student prepares to unveil his newfound capabilities in the ultimate test. Overwhelmed by a sense of pride, the teacher witnesses her pupil shine under the pressure, supported by collective efforts. In a harmonious symphony of joy, the classroom erupts with cheers and applause, celebrating a triumph of unity and empathy. With a heart brimming with pride and gratitude, the teacher reflects on the transformative power of teamwork and compassion in education.